everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Happy Sexy Mama, guys. Are you all doing? How's everything, guys? So you guys are doing great. Yeah, my people, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning and my returning subscriber. I want to say, may God bless you all. For always coming across my video, watching, giving me a thumbs up, sharing my video is part of contributing to my YouTube channel. God bless you all. Please, there's one video I just come across today, like, I'm in a shock, like, my body is shaking up till now. I'm not really happy. Please, our young boys especially, our Nigerian young boys. This one is not other Africans, so our Nigeria people, especially now get this video. Forget about all these Nollywood actors them and actress them. See, you see this ritual of a thing, Nollywood really contributed to this thing. Because any of the video, they will raise one slangs. They will start speaking what you don't know. They will say it's a ritual. It's a ritual that is giving people money. If you see the most, as in, if you watch Nigerian movie, the one that is very expensive, the video that they will put a lot of money to work on, check the title very well. You will see that it ends with ritual. This one, ritual. That one. Why? Why not educating our people and stop all this ritual of a thing? Or movie. Nah. Our young boys now that are always watching Nollywood movies, they now carry out action. See this young boy. He don't go kill mama. He don't kill him mama. He slaughter him mama. He bury him. I saw the video. If not that the video would be violated the whitey rules, I would have posted it. Why? Why is it that our young boys, they don't want to copy any good thing? Must you do what you see others doing? Can't you work for yourself? As young as you cute, you are so cute. God, may God in heaven don't allow our children, the children will work hard to carry in 9 months. May God not allow our children to come and kill us. Like, seriously? You said you want to earn money. You now end up ending your mother's life. What is going on? What is going on? You people are now as in practicing what you watch in movies, when they will act all those their ritual movies. Sometimes they will say, Ochemba, you have to bring one of your daughter. You have to bring one of your son. You have to bring your mother before you can have money. So it has gotten to the extent that our young boys are now lazy, like Buhari said, that they are lazy youth. They don't want to make good thing out of their life. They want to go for fast. They want to go for fast money. Fast money that will just be ending people's lives anyhow. This very boy is so heartless. I can't even imagine the tortured. That boy might have tortured the mother before he's able to cut off the mother's head like that. Like, seriously, a son, as big as you are supposed to work so hard to put food on the table. You said, mother, come and eat. It is your time to enjoy. But rather, you are looking for fast money because you don't want to work. Most of us now fine boy till 9 kilos. Some boys are doing fine boy. Fine boy wouldn't allow you to school. Fine boy wouldn't allow you to make something good out of your life. The one that will school will go and join cults. It will end up killing an innocent people. The one that is looking for fast money, it will end up being a ritualist. It will end up killing mother or father. What is going on, our Nigerian people? Where did they go on? Why practicing all these Nollywood movies that you're seeing? Have you ever seen any of those people using their mother, their father in real life? Most of them posted their father, congratulating them on their birthdays. Most of them posted their mother. Their mother and their father are still alive. Why are you guys fooling? Is it not better that you give out your manhood than taking your innocent mother's life or your innocent daughter? Since you want to make money, then you use part of your body to make the money. Because nobody sends you. It's what you choose to do. And nobody will stop you from doing it. So use yourself instead of using an innocent person. An innocent woman that is on her own. This boy, God that will judge you for this your act. Even if they put you for kri-kri, God will judge you. Anywhere you go for this life, for using your own hand to take your mother's life, God will judge you. God will judge you. God no go let you be. God no go let you be lying. You are so wicked and heartless. You don't even feel, what if I do this thing? People came to find out. What will become of me? Some people will just be acting without thinking, without reasoning. Like, seriously? I don't get what is wrong with our people. Especially these our people have been seeing ritual. And I've come to think of it. I said, like, seriously, just wake up one day. You move to ritual shrine. You said you just want to decide to use an innocent person that know nothing about whatever you're going to put your hand. I come to think of it and say, what could be the cause of this thing? Is it because these people are watching Nollywood's movie and they are now practicing what they are acting? Nollywood, you people should add something reasonable and stop all this your ritual videos, ritual movies. This is what is corrupting our young boys. Because they believe that what you people are doing on that video or on that movie is really working out. Now they are just out there taking innocent people's life. For what now? For waiting. I beg, Nollywood movies people, actors and actresses, please, you people should learn, you people should add something that will add values to people's life. Not all about ritual. In all your movies, you see them lining up cars, lining up, hey, Igwe, oh. Now all these ye boys, They want to belong because they believe, say, what you people are doing is real. Money is coming out from it. But the part that they refuse to understand is that, why is it that these people, parents, they are still alive? They don't use their parents because they are foolish. They will not go and use any member of their family. See this boy, how he slaughtered the mother as if the mother is bushmeat. God will judge you. I leave you in the hands of God for God to judge you. Please, my people, I know this video might not make sense for a lot of people. A lot of people might be angry saying I'm talking rubbish. I'm telling you, you see all this Nollywood movie, they always act about ritualists. He contributed for this problem. Because you will see that if they are poor in that movie, immediately they join that their ritual, this thing that they said in that movie. You understand me? I don't know, for most people that normally watch Nigerian movie, immediately they joined. They take any members of the family or the wife or the man that at the head of the cultist who said, bring so person. Immediately they give out that person. They will start having money. And these are our young boys that has nothing good for themselves than copying, than meditating on in evil things. Will just watch. They will say, okay. They will start, guy. They will start making phone calls. Guy, anyway, clear. Anything where you day, just nyan me. I'm ready to do. I'm ready to do. You're ready to do. You go and end killing an innocent person. If you're ready to do, you take your own life. So my people, please, whatever you say about this video, just drop it in the comment section, because this is so annoying. Like, it's so painful. Where person go carry pikin finish for 9 full months. At the end, you still use your hand take kill the person. Why? Why? So please, guys, drop your comment on the comment section. If my thought is right or is wrong, please. Thank you so much. You people say I look like old mama today. That's why I don't like wearing native. So guys, bye and stay cool.